Panguva ino mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe awane kuremekedzwa kwainoitwa panguva ino over accused achinzi ndiye ari kukonzeresa the economic crisis. Toda Tendai Biti obuda panguva ino achiaccusa the Zimbabwean leader nobo subscribe wala icon on the pay icon. Team Tama advocacy for human rights and democracy obuda nyora achiti Mugabe was not the problem. Mnangagwa is the problem. Zimbabwe's best finance minister ever, Barrister Tendai Biti speaks as calls for ED to leave office grows. Former Finance Minister Tendai Biti has delivered a scathing critique of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's leadership, asserting that many Zimbabweans now regret the removal of the late former President Mugabe. In a recent interview with Newsday, journalist Everson Mushava, Biti described Mnangagwa's 7-year tenure as an absolute disaster, claiming it has fostered widespread corruption and economic instability. He has made people regret the removal of Robert Mugabe, Biti stated. Biti accused Mnangagwa of squandering an opportunity to unite the nation and establish a new political consensus soon after grabbing power from Mugabe in 2017. Mnangagwa missed an opportunity of resetting Zimbabwe, of placing Zimbabwe on a new consensus or inclusion, of putting Zimbabwe first. He had that opportunity in 2017 of bringing everyone on board, the church, the trade unions, and so forth. Instead, Biti alleges that Mnangagwa has reinforced a system of coercion, violence, repression, and abuse of the rule of law, while also anchoring his rule firmly on corruption and extraction. He specifically criticized the alleged influence of individuals like Wikinochiva, KUTYA, KUTYA, claiming they have undue access to the state house. Those criminals have invaded the state house. They go there without appointment, openly, represently, and that is bringing the state into disrepute. Thomas Kwamdanyu Tendai Biti achiti aiwa panguva inoi aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe we cannot see it aiwa as a country.